Hi everybody, welcome back to our 2-minute tutorial. Now today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple bow just like this. What you need, some wire edged ribbon, you'll need some pliers, some scissors and some floristry wire. Now first of all, measure out your ribbon. I'm measuring out 1 meter, but you can actually go more than that if you want longer tails on the end of your bow. Now, first of all, you make the shape, which looks like that, making sure that the tails are similar in length. Pinch at the top, bring that into the center, and then gather up the bottom to meet the top. So you've got your bow shape. Get some floristry wire, tie that around the middle, quite tight, and twist at the back, just like that. And then I'm going to cut the V shape at the bottom of my ribbon, my tails. So you just fold over and then snip across to make your V shape. So that's my single bow. Now, if I wanted to make a double bow, I take 2 bows exactly the same, place one on top of the other, like that. Just make sure that the loops, you can see all the individual loops, they're visible. Floristry wire, pull to the back, and then twist the 2 lots of floristry wire together. Just like that. So that's my double bow. Now with that one, I was thinking I might add the magnolia to the middle, which is quite pretty. Colours work well together. And then twist your excess wire again around the magnolia clip at the bottom, at the base. Just like that. So moving on from that, another double bow I made here, and I'm going to put baubles around this one. So you just need some more floristry wire through the caps of your baubles, like that. One twist, and then find a place in the middle where you can pull your floristry wire through as well, and then that floristry wire you twist at the back again. So your bow will look like that, and you can use that on your Christmas tree, on wreaths, on garlands, even on wrapping. So I've also made a triple bow here, and I use these glittered pine cones in this one, but you can use all sorts of different floristry pieces. So that's all for today, but thank you for joining me, and we'll see you next time.